All right, so now we got to get back to that Japanese teacup from yesterday. I'm going to show you how to make a clay chuck, just in case you don't have the extra $200 to buy a Giffin Grip. All right, so this is what you do. This is the piece of clay that was left over from throwing off the hump. Just left it on my clay wheel and decided this would be a good time, since it's already on there, decided it'd be a good time to trim my bowl from yesterday, because I took that out earlier today to dry up. So what you want to do is dry this piece out, and by drying it out I mean rub it down with your rib. Oh, I mean not your rib, but this potter's knife. Dry it all up. Dry up the sides and give it kind of a conical thing going on here. So see what I did there? This is going to allow you to trim something with a mouth this big or a mouth this big. And the angle right there is probably a good inch difference. So just by looking at my thing, I think that's going to be the proper size. So I'm going to take it from there.